Now that Roman Reigns is no longer the undisputed WWE Universal Champion, it seems like a huge bloodline civil war is on the horizon. The tribal chief lost his undisputed WWE Universal Championship to the American Nightmare Cody Rhodes on night 2 of WrestleMania XL. Reigns was an emotional mess after the loss and hugged Paul Heyman in a heartbreaking moment after his loss at WrestleMania. The tribal chief is now on a long hiatus that will last several months, and things are already changing at a fast pace in his absence. Jimmy Uso lost a singles match to Jey Uso on night 1 of WrestleMania XL, and Solo Sikoa wasn't happy one bit. For fans who are unaware, Roman Reigns crowned Solo Sikoa the future tribal chief a few months ago. Solo Sikoa exercised his authority as the tribal chief in Roman Reigns' absence and kicked Jimmy Uso out of the bloodline. Real life bloodline member Tama Tonga made his debut on WWE SmackDown tonight and attacked Jimmy Uso. Tama Tonga brutally beat up Jimmy Uso and Solo Sikoa joined in as well. Paul Heyman, who was afraid of what was happening, tried to call Roman Reigns, but Solo Sikoa prevented him from doing so and ended up destroying his phone. In the end, Solo Sikoa, Paul Heyman, and Tama Tonga stood tall in the ring over a fallen Jimmy Uso, making it pretty clear that the bloodline was now going in a different direction under Solo Sikoa's leadership. After what happened on SmackDown, it seems that a huge bloodline civil war is mere months away. Now that Jimmy Uso is out of the bloodline, it could lead to him moving over to WWE Raw and joining Jey Uso, reforming the Usos. After a few months, when Roman Reigns finally makes his big anticipated WWE return, it's very likely that he will join the Usos and reform the bloodline. Thus, a faction war will kick off between Roman Reigns' bloodline and Solo Sikoa's bloodline. During Roman Reigns' absence on WWE TV, Solo Sikoa might bring in Jacob Fatu and Zilla Fatu as well to strengthen the faction. Let's see what happens when in a few months' time Roman Reigns' bloodline takes on Solo Sikoa's bloodline in a massive bloodline civil war.